It's a good view of the lake, though.
Oh, heck yeah. Probably wouldn't even feel good being in there.
No.
Probably freaking hot.
Probably ain't but a foot deep. Looks like we're gonna run right into the water. This ain't a boat ramp, is it?
Yeah, it's a great big giant boat ramp.
I don't hear nothing.
Lake Mead National Rec area.
Yep. What's left of it.
Yeah. Yeah, there's some buildings you can see now that were underwater.
Yeah.
9/10 of a mile, I guess we might want to switch lanes.
Alright, I'll get over.
Probably where that turn lane is, way up there.
Probably.
Yeah, because when this was open and we'd go over Hoover Dam, that hotel over there is truck parking. They park there.
Yeah. Yep.
That sign's right, it shows swimming, and it's up to the person's teeth.
Just watch out for loose gravel.
Yeah. Looks pretty good. No commercial vehicles.
Well, that leaves your truck out.
Yeah, but if somebody had a big enough boat, they'd need it, you know what I mean?
Right. 8% grade. Whoa, what? Whoa, birds. Birds. Squirrels with wings.
I guess we're going this way, I don't know.
Yeah.
Well, I don't know where that way goes. We'll have to check that out later.
Yeah.
Camping designated area only.
No, we're not camping. Off-road travel prohibited. Mark, mind yourself now.
They got it gated. Road subject of flashing lights. Oh, maybe you gotta. Well, we'll see what's down here, Brian.
Yeah, we'll see what's going on.
Yeah. Because there's restaurants and shit in here too.
Is there?
Stuff, yeah.
Slow down. 15 miles an hour. Jeez, I can't down.
Today's fire danger extreme.
19, that's good enough. Yeah, let's find out what's going on down here.
Oh, yeah, we'll see what's going on.
See what's up. Guess that one on the end, huh?
Yeah, that's where I'm going. Maybe nobody's in this one. Hello. What's that? Hold on. No. How much is it to go down in there? It's how much? Oh, screw that. We're turning around. How do we... Alright, I'm going right up here and turn around.
Yeah, go up there and turn around.
Really? That ain't gonna bring your water back.
What is that? What would she say?
$40.
Oh, $40?
Yeah. That ain't gonna bring the fucking... I'm pretty sure she said $40. That ain't gonna bring your water back. I'm sorry.
No. I thought she said $4.
See, what?
I thought she said $4, but...
No. I'm pretty sure she said 40. Either that or I'm just really cheap. Could have sworn she said $40. Maybe, I don't know.
Oh, I don't know. It ain't worth no $80.
But yeah. Well, why $4 even?
Right. Now where?
And that place used to have a way bigger parking lot than what I remember.
Is that water?
No, it's
great.
like a cattle guard.
Okay. Hoover Dam to the right. Okay.
Oh, alright. I was looking.
I'm not going that way.
I'm like, that doesn't go anywhere.
I turned the camera back on since we're going over the dam.
That's probably what they'll charge you for, is to go over the damn thing.
Well, they got little parking areas so you can walk around and stuff. Let's see, where we going? Hoover Dam. All the way around.
Yeah, where that, under the underpass. Yeah, otherwise it puts us on that interstate, or back on 93. I guess what that thing that said toll, I guess that's what that was for that. To pay to go in that dumb thing.
I guess so.
Yeah, this is what we used to go on with the truck. The road right there, bro. Oh, they got a gate there. There's no fun. Security check station.
Huh. You gotta put your arms up when you go by.
I think I left the bomb in the truck. Well, that's a long way down that way.
Yeah, it is. Shortcut.
Yeah, this was fun in the truck.
Security check station, half a mile. Be prepared to stop. Okay.
Right here, nice. Cautious, slow traffic. I wonder where he's going. Oh, there's an overlook.
We can come back.
Yeah.
We'll check that on the way out. I'll leave the camera going for the check here. See what all.
I mean, it just said
I got cash, so.
Yeah, I got cash. I just gotta get mine out from under the seat.
Well, see, I got like.
Commercial vehicles aren't. Oh, maybe that's buses.
Yeah.
Because I'm like, we can't go over this anymore. No, this is just security.
Yeah.
I mean, they made it like it was gonna be a big deal here. Look at this, right?
Yeah, yeah. I guess we're an auto, I guess.
Well, we're not an RV.
Hey, Josh, looks like your bike on the garage. Do you have any guns?
No. Nope.
Okay, have a good one, guys.
All right, thank you.
Any guns? Well, why? You need one? I mean, look at all this secure, right?
Yeah.
That looks like a money collection thing right there.
Yeah. We came at a good time. So I guess we're going over the dam, huh?
Yeah, I guess so. Damn.
Damn, you ain't damn bait.
That's cool, because there should be places to stop, to overlook.
I left my cigarettes at the truck.
Oh, you're not going to start shaking, are you?
No.
Look, there's a path that way, Brian.
Yeah.
Oh, and another gate.
And a gate. Maybe they got a gift shop down here or something.
For damn tours.
Damn tours.
No pedestrians beyond that point. I don't think you should have had pedestrians up to that point.
But see, when I got here in 90, this was the only road in.
Right, that's the way, this is the way we stick with the semis. It was awesome. See, there's scenic views down this way too.
Yeah. We'll catch this one on the way out, and then on the way out to catch the other one.
Yeah, that's the one that when we came across that bridge, people were walking out that way.
Yeah. Overflow electricity.
Railroad trail. Huh. Let's check that railroad trail out. I mean, I'm assuming it's only like 25 down here, right?
15.
Oh, is it? Oh, yeah.
There's the dam. There's the damn dam.
Oh, yeah. A bunch of cables or something, too. Keep off rocks.
How you gonna stand on that?
Yeah, must be security.
This is banked too. They can take this at 60 miles an hour.
That wasn't that wide before. They made it wide because people are going to come down here with cars and they don't want them wrecking.
Right.
Raised walk. Low ground clearance. I don't understand that.
Hey, they need to fix that. That tower's leaning.
Oh, parking garage. That's where they hose you.
Yeah. I'm gonna get behind you so I can get video over the rail.
Alright, I can switch sides then. Stand up again. Stay in vehicles, well that's kind of lame. Oh, that's why these people all parked and walked over here.
Yep. On top of Hoover Dam.
They got these speed humps.
Yeah.
Dang, they look at those bronze or gold doors.
people working on the dam.
They're not all together, I bet.
No.
Hey, your people make our Groms.
Hey, I wonder if they got any parts in their pocket.
Yeah, there's parking up that way too. Oh, we can get where those RVs are, bro. We can get a picture of the backside of it.
Yeah.
Yeah, that water is just crazy low.
I know it. Here's the overflow right here on the right and left. So look at the size of that hole. Jeez.
Yeah, that thing probably hasn't been used in a while. It just makes me hate California more.
We're in Arizona.
But no, just seeing what them taking all the water did, you know.
Right. We're gonna turn left right here.
Left, right. Oh look, they got motorcycles parking right. So these lines right here, those are for motorcycles, right? Oh, we'll have to go down to that lower one after, because then you can see the.
Yeah. I gotta leave my helmet on so I can get the video.
I'm taking my phone. Oh, I might want my case too. Oh, right there, Brian. Get rid of these gloves so if I do something with my phone, it'll work. I'm coming, Dad. Liquid other than bottled water, glass containers.
Dang, it's down.
Building.
It's down far.
Holy. Yeah.
But that'd be a good high dive, wouldn't it?
That's crazy.
I think it's what, 160 feet down or something like that? 180 feet?
Is that a door?
Where?
Somebody's over there.
Where?
Here, come over this way, Brian, and look straight ahead on the top of the
Bottom
second.
Oh, yeah.
Over there.
Zoom in, I'll get you on the camera. Here. Is that somebody standing there? Oh, no, that's a shadow or something, isn't it?
Yeah, some sort of bag over there.
Huh.
Right, there's something over there.
There's something.
Or is that?
What's those three squares on the side of the bank over there? See them three little, looks like little doors or something? What is that? Some kind of anchors.
Anchor points.
Yeah.
Let's see what. I don't know what those are. No idea.
Dang, that's crazy.
Up that high the first year.
Man, it was down in 90. About that first line.
You can see all the different.
Yeah. What causes that white sediment?
Are cleaning it.
Had a landslide over there at one point. hole. Dang, look how clear that water is down there. Somebody lost their hat.
Oh, want me to go get it?
I ain't getting it. I ain't getting it. I ain't gonna get it. Alright. We'll go to the next overlook.
Sure.
That's the one, that was that first one for the bridge, right?
What one?
About over there somewhere we could see the bridge in the front side of the Hoover Dam.
Oh, yeah, over.
Yeah.
Oh, it's up on top of that bridge.
Oh, okay.
You gotta walk all the way up. I want to see what that railroad, whatever, is when we get up that way. It'll be on the right-hand side.
Uh-huh.
It said something railroad.
Huh.
And the road went up that way. As far as I know. You know, I'm gonna let her know what I'm driving around.
All right.
Alright, well, I was just letting you know we're taking a ride. Love you. Alright, you're good? Alright, love you. Okay. You there, Bri?
Not yet. No, I am.
You there?
I'm here.
Alright. Oh, that time you hooked right up.
Yeah. Yeah, we'll just stop at all the overlooks.
Because the one down here, you see the big hole that goes down.
That hole?
Yeah. Yeah, the biggest hole in Arizona.
I'll stop on the sidewalk and we'll look at it.
Well, this is where these people are walking right there. We can go in there and look down and see it too. It's just parking.
Where?
Right here, right to the hard right.
Can you go down in there?
Why not?
Oh.
Right? I mean,
And hold on a sec.
I'm just gonna hit a spot.
Okay.
These people are gonna pull out and they'll probably hit us.
Wow. It's just a big hole.
But that's only if it gets that high, right?
Right. Yeah, that's the overflow, so it won't go over the dam. It'll go around it.
Holy.
That is huge. There's one on the other side too.
Is there?
Yeah, see it on the other side?
Yeah, alright.
Behind that those columns.
That's crazy. Who knows when the last time water was even over this? Because look, they got all the access hatches off back.
Yep. That's nuts.
Dang. Wish I could reach one of them rocks right there.
I mean, you can tell how deep it is by the size of that chair down there.
Oh, yeah. How big it is.
Yeah, you know, give it scale.
Really? Do the chair down there.
Wow.
Oh, those things go up. Used to go up, Bri.
What?
These metal things. You see where they were scraping on the sides there.
Oh, yeah.
So those went up.
Yeah, it's got hinges on it.
Yeah. On the back side.
Yeah.
You can see how it went this way.
It's like they.
Scrapes are.
It's like they can.
Oh, at one time.
Yeah. It's like they hadn't moved in a while. Yeah. Okay.
Oh, there's a little water machine. Oh,
We're
how much do you think of water is? I'm just gonna.
$3.
Oh, really? That's only $1.50.
$1.50? Grab me one.
Let me grab my wallet out of my. Because I think it's card only anyway.
Goodbye.
You ever hang out here for a minute, rest?
There's cars pulling in. Look how tiny they look.
Oh my God.
They should follow a guy on YouTube that goes out here and shows how low it's getting. That blue thing is a restaurant. Straight out there with the blue roof and the paddle boat in front of it. It's a restaurant.
Where?
Straight down, there's that dock all by itself.
Oh, okay.
And then
Okay.
there's a paddle boat, it's a restaurant. There's another one somewhere on the other side.
There's trailer park. Man.
Yeah, they got a park too to get in there.
Or is there another way in here?
How'd they get up there?
Who?
Them people.
Just walked.
I ain't walking up there. Here's mine. One slip, end up in the lake.
You'll probably be dead before you get there. What the heck are these?
I don't know.
Trash can. Thought it was something, you know, like you look and you can see down. Nope, you see right into the trash. You are here.
Yep.
This is a small part of the lake. Where the boulder basin.
That's when it was full. What year was that?
Whole thing's 110 miles long.